Alright, what's up y'all? We're back out fishing. Open water. Actually open water this time, not partially open water. We're legitimately open water fishing this time. Got Jordan tending the rods right now. We got 2 worm rods out. Doing a little bit kind of unorthodox fishing today. We got 2 worm rods out. We're fishing for sucker. Both white sucker and red horse sucker. Kind of an underappreciated fish species, especially around this time of year when they're running up and down the rivers. They're pretty bitey. Actually, just like 20 seconds ago, my rod just went off and I missed the first one. We just got here, so it's looking like it's gonna be a pretty decent day. We also got some jerk baits and other small little tackle because there's the odd pike that runs through here, but try and get some of those. But yeah, the main goal today is some suckers. So yeah, get to snagging some snuckers. Snucker snag, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah? I know what I'm saying. You don't need. Yeah, you know where you're at. I got something? Well, that was a stick. That really felt like a fish. I didn't want to hit it right away because he just kind of nudged it. But it was definitely a bite. He is currently not there. Want me a big old sucker. I'd try to avoid ripping into it if you can. Like just kind of sway into it so you're gonna disturb the bottom. I was gonna say, the minnow family is kind of smart. So you got carp in the minnow family. A lot of people can't catch those. You got sucker that people don't even bother to try and catch. I mean, shiners are kind of dumb to be fair, but not get too excited here. Dude, I got something good. Yeah. Yeah, get the net. Yeah. Dude, get the net. Dude, get the net. Get it. Oh my god. Dude, this was just a bycatch. We're just fishing for sucker. Oh wow, okay. Alright, well, here's the first fish of the day. Not a bad fish. He just came off a little X-Wrap, little blue X-Wrap. Kind of just fishing for suckers, but I guess there's got to be something you're eating them as well. So here's what's eating them. Not a bad first fish. See you later, Junior. Oh wow. He was eager to go. Well, back on the sucker grind. Kinda. Should I do something about that? What? Yeah. Yeah? Yeah. Am I rolling? Nothing. Oh my god. Are you f***ing kidding me? Well, I don't know if the camera got it or not, but there's the second fish of the day. It's just a little sucker guy, and he's anxious to get back, so I'm gonna get him back. But that guy just came on a little bottom rig with a worm. Didn't see any bites or nothing. He just took it and started going with it. But first sucker of the day, first actual target species. Might have to jump to some other spots here sooner than later, but get him back. Okay, he wants to freaking head out. See you later, guy. Oh, there's another one. It's fighting pretty good, jeez. Come here, guy. Come here, guy. Here. There's another. On the freaking worm rig. He wasn't going nowhere. That hook said. I was worried. Not anymore. Another nice sucker. This white sucker. No red horses today, unfortunately, but still got some time. A little bit of time. Well, actually, I might move to another spot sooner than later. Not gonna be any of these guys there, but see you later, Junior.